VA tips for total beginners. Hi, I am Aiza. I am a VA mom na taga-Bukid. So for today, let's go back to our series kahit medyo nakakatamad yung weather. Kaya tinatamad ako mag-work. So I thought this could be a productive way to spend my Monday to help you guys with your journey. Kaya today, we will talk about your niche. Diba? So, kung ikaw ay nag-aaral maging virtual assistant, for sure, narinig mo na yung niche na yan. So, ano nga ba yung niche? It is simply saying, kung yung mga wala pang background sa industry, parang job role lang yan or job titles. Kaya pag tinanong, anong niche mo? So, usually, tinatanong lang naman nila kung ano yung main role mo sa iyong virtual career. Kasi there's a lot of niches in the virtual world, in the online industry, in the freelancing industry. So for today, kung stuck ka pa rin sa pag-iisip at pag-overthink, kung ano nga ba ang pipiliin mong niche para makapag-start ka na, today I will share with you 3 beginner-friendly niche na pwede mo nang start agad-agad. Are you ready? Let's go. Beginner-friendly niche number 1, of course, virtual assistants. For sure, alam mo yung email, right? So think of email management. Alam mo yung calendar, right? Think of calendar management. At alam mo yung mga online files, right? Think of file organization. So, di ba? You already have those transferable skills. At ang hindi mo alam, those are basic admin skills na very beginner-friendly at pwede mong i-apply agad online. Beginner-friendly niche number 2, social media assistants. Oy, nandito ka sa TikTok. For sure, narinig mo na rin yung Instagram at may Facebook ka, correct? So, as a social media assistant, think of content scheduling, caption writing, replying to comments. For sure, ginagawa mo na yan sa sarili mong account, di ba? Pero, hindi mo na pagkakakitaan. So, i-apply mo na yan online as a social media assistant. At beginner-friendly niche number 3, creative VA. Think of a graphic designer or a video editor. I know, pwede mong sabihin, this is a very technical skills. Of course, kapag mga expert na sila, expert graphic designer, expert video editor. But here's the good news. Walang naging expert na hindi dumaan sa pagiging beginner like you. So unless you start, hindi ka talaga magiging expert. So this is a very beginner-friendly. Why? Narinig mo na yung Canva. You know how to edit images, design using Canva. Very, very beginner-friendly. Narinig mo na yung CapCut. CapCut is a very beginner-friendly tool for video editors. You can edit your video there. Very friendly as Canva. Yes, you can start from there. Kasi that's an ultimate truth. Hindi ka magiging expert, hindi ka magiging magaling, hindi ka magiging next level kung wala kang sinisimulan at pinapractice. So yes, as a beginner, you can start as a graphic designer, as a video editor, using the tools you already use, and then build your skills from there. You don't need to master everything. Just pick one path, get consistent, and you will grow faster. So, sa 3 beginner-friendly niches na yan, alin dyan ang tingin mong kaya mo na agad simulan? Please comment below. And also, as usual, kung may mga questions po kayo, feel free to comment it below para alam ko po kung paano pa kayo matulungan at alam ko po yung mga susunod na tutorial na kailangan nyo na para magawa ko to help you. Okay? So, I am looking forward to your comments and follow for more. God bless you. Stay safe and dry.